What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to When Moon Trading. So here's what happened. I shot a video right before this one, where I started off by saying I just had like a 24-hour poker binge out of in a different city, and I'm on absolutely zero sleep. I tried to sleep in my car for like an hour, it didn't work. And then I ended the video by saying do this all in one shot, so it's kind of all over the place. I don't edit my videos and everything. I uploaded it, I shared it to everybody, and my microphone was turned off. So I shot an entire 15-minute video with my microphone turned off and uploaded it and didn't notice. So here we are. We're back again. So we're going to go through this. If you're new here, I'm trying to make one video every week. I'm trying to update on my challenge. I'm doing like a $1,000 to $100,000 challenge. Oh shit, I forgot to delete this. So I don't want to spoil it. Don't look. Close your eyes. All right. So as you can see, open your eyes now. Okay, we're good. So this is what my portfolio looks like as of right now. So we're on week 3 here. We're gonna update this, and so far we're doing all right. So I'm gonna go through some of my trades. First things first, we're gonna look at Bitcoin here. I know half an hour has gone by since since the first video I attempted, but right now Bitcoin's pumping a little bit, and we're getting right into this value area high of this range at the top here. So this should be some resistance here. I'll see how we're just about to tickle it right now. As you can see on the 4-hour, there's some bearish divergence as well. And I am currently in a long, which I will show here. Okay, it's actually a 10x. I just uploaded the margin to move some money, which is based off of this strategy here, which is this one. So this is already closed and taking profit. I'm staying in this trade because I'm pretty confident we tickle this value area here. So I might close this trade live on stream here. So as for Bitcoin, yeah, we're bullish. Look for a rejection here. We got kind of running out of steam here. This might come back and take out these naked point of controls. Maybe retest the point of control down here at about 63,000. But if we break right through this, we're probably going to take out all this liquidity. So if we bring up the heat map here on YouTube, we see over here where my mouse is liquidity, a lot of liquidity around like 69, 69.5, something like that, right below 70K. So I could see that being taken out as well, and then maybe a dump back into a dump back. If not, we go to all-time highs, right? Okay, so let's go over my trades very quickly. I'm going to bring this up, and here we go. So this is my current trade that I'm in. I'm currently up almost $800. Good. I'm going to, like I said, be looking to take a little bit of profit off the table here any minute now. So this is my last week. So we ended the week with this minus 68, $68 one. So if you guys have watched my other videos, I said I was in a couple of longs on some altcoins that were shit. They were bad entries. They're on like a 4-hour strategy. So that's what this 299, the 90, the 52, and the $194 loss is. I closed them all. I was in a loss on them for like 2 weeks, and I just said, screw it, I'm going to rip the Band-Aid off. I'm going to take a loss. And the reason I was okay with that is because I had just booked this almost $1,800 win this long on Bitcoin from 64K up to 65.7. So that was a nice win. So that more than made up for all the losses. Again, you don't need to win every trade, right? As long as your wins are bigger than your losses, that's all that matters. This TIA and this WIF were on different strategies, and this Raven actually was on, I believe, this candle here, or maybe an earlier one. So they were just little strategies, $100, $200 positions that got stopped out on. And then we come to the big boy here, the other big boy, which is this Link trade. And the reason I entered Link, and I told my boys that I'm not going to be taking a lot of trades this week because like I said, I was going to be out of town from Friday till now. But when I looked at Link, I just saw news on Twitter that they partner with like JP Morgan and a bunch of other financial institutions. So that was really bullish news. But the biggest thing that I saw was this on the weekly. From its low here to its recent high. It's not drawn perfect, but you get the idea. We wicked exactly to the 618. Look at that. That is perfect. That's textbook. And you can see the wick. Like, it got bought up, right? So this is a perfect entry. This is a perfect... And Link is looking really good for another leg up. I think if you take the measurement from the low to the high and then bring it down here, it's called an AB equals CD. It comes out to about $37. So that would be my overall target, would be about $37. But that, that's like 6 months, right? Because this is a weekly chart. So Link, if you don't own any Link, you still have time to buy Link. Link is I think Link is a great project, and we just, if you didn't buy it down here, even now is a nice time because it's consolidating, right? So that was my trade, my $1,300 win. I closed it today on Link. at max it was up around 1900, so I lost a couple $100 worth of value there, but either way I closed it. And now we're in this current trade, and we're doing well. So move over to 2bit, where I moved some money around. And unfortunately, I'm not following this perfectly. Like I'll show in a second. I sent $400 to my spot and bought Myro because I'm an idiot. So that's part of my trading challenge too. Even though I'm not using it to trade, I just bought it spot. So that'll calculate everything. So this is on 2bit here. I'm currently in a small trade. As you can see, there's only $231 here. And what this is, it's a bot that I set up. So these are the only trades I've had on this account. But these last two trades that I'm up like $6, these are automated bots, and that is this bot here. Oh, I just closed it. Son of a bitch. That's one of the. I'll just show you because this is it's a 15-minute strategy, and it is disgustingly profitable. This one here. Go away, GameStop. Nobody cares. So I finally got a bot up and working. I realized what the issue was. It was some of the API stuff. So look at this. Look at this backtest. 171,000 or 105,000% over like 3 years. So this is a strategy. This is David Tech platform. Again, I shout out every time. If you're a member of this and you're an elite backtester, you just click copy bot and you link it to your exchange, and that's it. Easy, right? It's like $25 a month. If you guys enjoy this stuff, then awesome. So that's what is on this exchange. And then I just made this an hour or two ago. I made a sub account which has $200 on it, right? So that's $432, let's say, plus my 400 on my spot, plus my 34.52. Okay, drum roll please. Brrr. Let's update this, which you might have already seen. And this is our total for this week. We made a whopping $2,000 something. This so again, I actually withdrew a couple $100. I should go back and check to get the exact amount, but whatever. We'll just pretend that this is accurate. So it might be off by a little bit, but it's pretty close. So yeah, we started with $868 3 weeks ago. We're at almost 4,300. We're grand total. We're up 393% from the start. We smashed our first goal. Right now, if we're following 13.5% a week, which is the pace to get to $100,000. Again, this is American that you see on the screen. I live in Canada, so 82,000 American is like 105,000 Canadian or so. So this is the goal. And as you can see, we're exceeding the goal by over $3,000, right? We're exceeding it by 237%. So even if we have a losing week, as long as I don't get completely wrecked, we have a wiggle room, right, to hit our pace at the end of the year. Yeah, so that's it. Hopefully you guys like it. Hopefully the sound works this time. I'm going to upload it again. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, tick the little bell. If you send some hate mail, I don't care. But like I said, guys, patience, and eventually I'm going to try to get this stuff fully automated so I don't have any emotions attached to this. But so far, so good. It's going well, and hopefully this week Bitcoin is looking good. Again, be careful. Don't if you're in a long, maybe take some profit here, which I should do right as soon as I end this video. But actually, what does Bitcoin look like on the weekly? I know there's a lot of lines here and everything. I mean, and this is a bull flag, you know? This is just flagging out. This could just fucking rip. But that's higher time frame. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate the support, and let's fucking get it. And I love you all. Bye.